In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open Google Chrome settings, and I'll give you a brief overview about what you can do in these settings. So first, open Google Chrome. Then if you go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, you can then scroll all the way to the bottom here and you'll see settings. Go and click on that and it will show you here an overview of your account, and here we can access all the settings. So the first one, which is going to be the default that you'll land on, is you and Google. Here you'll see your email address and your account on Google. You can go and manage your Google account, change any Google services, or customize your Chrome profile and how it looks here. Now, if you go down these, you're going to find other settings about autofill and password. If you want to delete any browsing data or cookies, you're going to find that on privacy and security. And here you can delete data and you can lock down the security of your browser and edit specific site settings. You've got here performance, but now we're getting into quite advanced stuff that perhaps you don't need. You've got the appearance tab, which may be useful to you. You can change your default search engine in the search engine tab, the default browser, and you can then specify what you want to load on startup. But apart from that, here are your settings. Go and use them and change whatever you need. Thank you for watching.